Our team works very hard to provide great service and satisfy everyone, so we love it when they provide feedback and a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. We really appreciate it when someone is kind enough to write about their experience with our staff. We believe reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you're brand new or have been through our doors before, we'd like the chance to make you happy. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.